Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Destiny 2 crash on startup. Let's fix it guys. First step is to verify game files. To do this you just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Destiny 2 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just to close stuff here. The second step is to update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. For that, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After doing it, close stuff here. The third step is to add a launch option. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Destiny 2 and select properties. Under the launch option, you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it. After pasting it, click on outside to save it and just to close stuff here. The fourth step is to disable overlays. Disable any overlays like Discord, Steam overlay or GeForce Experience, as they can sometimes cause issues with the game. For disabling the Steam overlay, you just need to open up Steam, go to library, right click on the Destiny 2 and select properties. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. You just need to disable it, guys. After that, just to close stuff here. The fifth step is to check for background applications. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, you just need to close unnecessary background applications that may interfere with the game, such as antivirus software or other resource-heavy programs. Just right click on it and select End Task It. After that, just to close stuff here. The sixth step is to adjust virtual memory. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type sysdm.cpl. Comes up a control panel item, click on open it. Select the advanced tab under the performance, select settings. Select advanced tab under the virtual memory, select change. You just need to uncheck this option, guys. Automatically manage paging file size for all drives, uncheck it. And then in this drive list, you just need to select the C drive. If you not set this option, then you just need to select this custom size option. And then you just need to know how much RAM installed on your PC. For that, you just need to go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM installed in my PC, as you can see. And after checking that, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for these values used in my video. Just to copy the values depending on how much RAM you have. Just to copy it. And the maximum size depending on how much RAM you have, copy it. Just paste over here, and after pasting both values, just select set, and the values should be listed over here under the paging file size. After that, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. The seventh step is to update Windows. For that, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Click on check for updates, and if you have any pending updates listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting your up to date, just to close stuff here. Additional tips: disable overclocking. If you have overclocked your GPU or CPU, revert to the default settings to see if it resolves the issue. I hope one of these steps fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.